Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Yes, so to my 103 subscribers, thank you so much dear friends for your love and your support. So you are not lost, you're on the right channel. So on this channel we do share DIY crafts like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, and how you can have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and how to grow your natural hair if it's breaking, how to remedy breakage, how you can make your own products at home. Yes, so if you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. Yes, so you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today, because today we are going to make a stimulating hair mist for quick hair, for massive hair growth with herbs which promote hair growth. Yes, so if you want to make this 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 powerful hair mist, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end. I tell you, like the smell, oh my god, it's so nice. Like you'd want to to drink it. Yes. Don't mind about those birds. They are making noise. Of course they are praising the Lord. Yes. Okay, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So we are using 2 grams of rosemary, 3 grams of our peppermint, and we're also going to use 3 grams of our ginger, and we're also going to use our hot water. So now we are going to, of course, put these two aside, and then we'll get a bowl and pour in our herbs. So using rosemary for hair can help with improved blood circulation in the scalp, hair loss prevention, and regrowth. It's anti-inflammatory skin cells, strengthening of hair, great for an itchy scalp. So rosemary comes from the same family as peppermint. Both peppermint and rosemary are known to stimulate blood flow and strengthen circulation. So ginger actually stimulates blood flow to the scalp and boosts the blood circulation to the hair follicles, making the hair growth faster. So ginger being high in fatty acids, it prevents your hair from shedding. So at this point, we are getting fall pepper and covering our peppermint and rosemary tea aside so that it can infuse. So you have to let it infuse for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So we are going to set it apart or put it aside so that we can work on our ginger. So of course, like I haven't peeled our ginger. Yes, but if you can peel it if you like. Yes, and so now we are getting our grater. So like this grater has been working so well for me. I've been using it for close to 1 year. So now we are going for smaller horse, not the bigger horse, because we want to extract our juice. We want our paste to be so fine so that we extract more ginger juice. So ginger spray prevent hair loss, it's nourishing, improves hair follicles, promote hair growth, helps a healthier hair growth, good for stopping, thinning hair and treating alopecia, making it grow faster and thicker. It helps repair damaged hair surface, lock in moisture, and shine and control frizz. It repairs, strengthens dry, brittle hair. At this point we are done, and then we are just look at that, so beautiful, right? It looks so lovely. So like whatever God made, it's so perfect. Yes, so now we are getting our strainer. Make sure that you get a fine strainer. You can use whatever gadget you have which you think can help you to extract the juice. Yes, so like I didn't come like I didn't come with a spoon. The spoon is not closer, so I'm just getting a whisker to help us scoop the paste into our strainer. We don't want to waste anything, you know, we just want everything to go in our strainer, as you can see. So if you've used these herbs before, or a hairspray like hairspray like this one, you can kindly comment in the section below. Or if you are going to try it out, you can kindly comment in the section below. So we've gotten a spoon and we are pressing. Make sure that you press against the strainer so that you extract more juice. Have you seen that? It looks so perfect. Yes, so like our juice is coming out nicely. So make sure that you continue pressing so that more juice can come out. You want to extract more juice as much as possible. So our juice is so ready. That is how it looks like. I love the color. I love everything about it. Yes, so now at this point, we are going to mix our other herbs. So it's ready. It's been 20 minutes. Look at that. So beautiful. So you have to make sure that you stir your peppermint and rosemary tea once more. Look at that, like the color has changed. So meaning that it has infused so well. So I'm getting a beaker and a strainer. We are going to strain our rosemary and peppermint. Make sure that you get a fine strainer because you don't want some residues to be caught in your hair, and it will be a marathon like to get them out. So you have to make sure that you don't skip this step. So our powerful hair mist is so ready for massive hair growth. So that is how it looks like the color is so perfect and lovely. So now we are mixing our ginger into our peppermint and rosemary water. So this mist actually will promote growth, will prevent hair loss, and it will nourish, improves your hair follicles, and it will improve your hair growth. So make sure that you mix it. So I've just gotten a glass stirring rod to mix our mist. We are also adding in a preservative because we want our mist to last. So if you don't have a preservative, you can actually store it in the fridge and it can last for at least 5 days. But if you want to last it for months, more than a month, then you have to preserve it. So I used Ux 714, a natural preservative. And after adding in a preservative, we are going to mix it. So it's ready at this point. We've gotten our 2 spray bottles in readiness for packaging. So we are getting a funnel and pouring in our powerful mist for massive hair growth. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that